anyone in there?
No, I checked it.
So I guess there was some homeless people living in here, prostitutes, and somebody pulled in with their car and started making some dope and ran out with their finger on fire. I guess out here in the parking lot on fire. No, I don't know. It might have been this one or it might have been that one down there. I think it was that one down there.
That was the one we saw with bag.
There's some stuff in there.
Yeah.
Let's go look at that one real quick.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Now we can get it clear.
Yeah.
And then you leave and then I go over there and there's like food there. Myself.
I figured I'd film. Hold on. Let me jump on the back. All right. These are the doors we're putting on. Dang, he did a good job building these. They're all primered. Some nice locks on there. So this is the other one. We went in here the other day to look at it and get the measurements so we could fabricate the doors. And there was some stuff in here. So some remnants of someone. No, it's just oh, the stuff is still here.
Oh yeah.
Got covered with leaves though.
Broken glass.
No, but remember these bags were here.
They're still there.
I don't know. Leave that. But
yeah. We'll get rid of these.
what does it need it?
I'll take them out and put mine.
Why though?
Put another one.
Oh, you're gonna put an additional one.
Yeah.
I'll do whatever you gotta do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably just put both of them so they can match.
Yeah, true. And then the door is going to be going on right here. But since it's such a not a very wide area, if we put a post here and a post here for the door, you would have hardly any room. You probably have to go in sideways. So what we're going to do is put the posts out here and right here, and then we're going to have our door out here so that when it opens up, you still have this whole width.
Yeah.
That was our plan. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.
This is 3/8 for 3/8 anchors.
All right. So what we're doing is we're drilling with a 3/8 inch concrete drill bit. All right, and then he's gonna be putting in some redhead anchors, I'm assuming.
Yeah. Oops.
Show you what those look like. Right here. So this is how they work, but we'll show you how it's done. But basically, these are the anchors.
Well, hose lined up. You don't want to do it too much, because sometimes when you do it too much, you pop the head. Boom!
Yeah.
When you do it too much. So like on this
too
one,
much torque on the bolt.
Too much torque, yeah. So I had to lower it right now on from 3 to 2, so that I can, because that has happened to me several times where I go too much.
It's the stainless steel can only take so much.
Yeah.
And then they break, you know. Same with stainless steel screws and everything. But yeah. Yep. It just needs to open up. What happens is when you tighten that down, it expands under there. So. These are 1.5 or 2
by 2.
2 by 2s.
2 by 2 post.
Nice. It's depending on the size of the door. Like these doors here, this is like 4 to 5 feet wide per panel. So the post for it, they use like a 4x4 post. But since our door is only, I think, less than 24 inches.
24 to be exact.
24 to be exact. So we're going with a 2x2 post. Should this video be how to install a gate?
Yeah, maybe. Why not? Why not? A lot of people bring their post made already with the anchor and everything, but you see how that concrete is not level? You see that little hump?
Oh, like this concrete?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see how it's not even like all level?
Uh-huh.
So if you was to put a level on it, I guarantee you it's leaning this way.
Right.
So
Yeah.
look at how much off I
Right.
am. So now I got a pole that I'm gonna anchor, and then it's gonna be,
You can adjust it.
now I can adjust it to whatever instead of me bringing a pole already
Yeah.
made.
Can't fuck around with you, man. I turned my back and you started working. Melting them?
Yeah. Remember you had told me that?
Yeah.
I'll throw some tacks later on as soon as
When it's all
I'll
done.
do my
Okay, so I ran out of battery yesterday, so I came back to show you guys how it looks when it's done. But basically, this pole just goes on the same as the other one with the brackets, and then obviously welded at the bottom. This was welded on, this tab here, and that way this can slide over there and then put a lock through right here. So that's how you lock it up, make it secure. It slides real nice. And this door was all fabricated beforehand. This is all custom made as well. So as you can see here, on this side, it's these self-tapper screws. And then he also put this additional little frame around here for some extra security. So if somebody kicks it or hits it, it's a little stronger. I like that extra little detail right there. Also, one other thing is when building security doors like this, you're doing a lot of hard work, and you should definitely wear good work boots. Look in the description, there's a link where you can buy some good work boots if you need some.